Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi tutorial. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, Divi Supreme have just released another layout demo for you, and it's about the Shapes module. The Shapes module lets you add some interesting little shapes like blobs, circles, triangles, etc, etc. Great things to enhance your backgrounds and things like that. So if you want to check this out, I'll put this link below the video. It's absolutely free. You will need to have Supreme Pro installed and activated for this to work. Just go down the page until you find the download layout down here, and to look at it before you download it, if you want to check it out, they've got a little graphic above. It'll scroll through and let you know what you're going to get. When you're ready, hit the download layout button. I'm using Google Chrome, so mine's going to download to my browser here. If you're using a different browser, yours is going to download to your default download location. Okay, it looks like it's downloaded it as a zip file. So I'm going to extract it. And there it is, the JSON file, which we can load directly into our Divi theme. So let's move over. I've got a theme open here, and to upload the file, simply go to your dashboard, down to Divi, down to your Divi library. Hit the import and export button up the top. We want to import, so I'm going to hit the import tab. I'm simply going to drag my file over here, or you can hit the choose file and browse to it manually, but I'm just going to drag my file over and drop him in the box. Now I'm going to hit the import Divi builder layout. Okay, we're all imported, and there it is. Shapes module. How do we use it? Really easy. Let's create a new page. We'll give it a name. And of course, I want to use the Divi builder. Once loaded, I'm going to choose a pre-made layout, the middle option right here. And we want to go up to your saved layouts, and there's our Divi Supreme Shapes module. I'm going to select that one, and there we have it. There's our background with shapes added. Another one right here. They've got another demo one right here. It's actually got a scroll effect going on there. And they've got another one on the bottom here with that nice curve aspect. And of course, to add or use any of these, just simply save it to your library. I guess we'll save demo 1 here. Simply go up to your section and hit the little round module that's right next to the trash can. Save it to your library. Once saved, let's add a new section. I'm going to add from the library. And there's our shapes front right there. And as you can see, it's loaded it down here. Save the draft. Of course, you can go in, put your own custom text and designs and things in here. And let's exit the visual builder. There we go. And we can roll down. Like I say, that's got some nice little animations going on there. You can simply go in and edit the content, put your own content in there. And there's the actual one we copied over there. And that's a nice little feature. These shapes are great little things to add to your site, add a little bit of interest. So there you have it. There's another free demo from Divi Supreme Modules, which is one of my favorite Divi add-ons. Like I say, I'll put this link below, and if you want to use it, that's how you use it. So I hope you've enjoyed that today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, ring the bell, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.